Hello, my name is Chris. In this video, you'll learn how to create a new email template using the text editor. To create a new email template, which can be used for email marketing or transactional emails, go to the Marketing dashboard. From the green menu, click Templates, then click Email. This opens the Email Templates page. Click New Template and select either Text Editor or Visual Editor. This video will show you how to create an email using the text editor. Click Text Editor to open the text editor. You can give the template a name, for example, Sample Email Template. Select a category to organize it, such as Sales. Then add a subject line and write the body of the email. Use the buttons here to insert either your shared signature or your personal signature. In this example, the title will be Follow-up after our meeting. Then start typing your email message. You can also use the toolbar above for rich text formatting and editing. There's an option to switch to HTML editor, which lets you paste code built using an external email editor. In this case, the email will be typed directly here. To insert a shortcode for the recipient's first name, click on the Shortcodes button. That will open the shortcode panel. Use the search bar and type First to highlight all matching shortcodes. Under Contact Basic Shortcodes, click the blue Copy button next to first name. Then paste it into the email body and continue typing your message. One important note: if you plan to use this email in email marketing, there are two mandatory shortcodes you must include. Under Email Configuration Shortcodes, insert the unsubscribe link and the postal address, because both are required by all email marketing systems to meet deliverability standards. For example, add the unsubscribe link at the footer, then insert the postal address below. You can also insert the business name. If using LeadCenter email marketing, these fields must be included in the template to allow the email to be sent successfully. You can preview the email by clicking the Preview button, which shows a sample of the message. You can also send a test email by entering your email address and clicking Send. Use the Image button to insert images into the email. You can switch to the HTML editor here, insert your own HTML if needed, or view the source code. After making changes, click Save to save the email. Once saved, this email template can be used for transactional emails, email marketing campaigns, appointment reminders, event reminders, and other automated emails inside LeadCenter. One important thing to notice when building templates for appointments and events: there are specific calendar shortcodes and event shortcodes. Calendar shortcodes can only be used in the appointment system, and event shortcodes can only be used in the event system, such as for sending appointment reminders, confirmations, follow-up emails, or client review reminders. Event shortcodes apply when sending confirmation emails, reminders, or follow-ups for events. This is a high-level overview of how to create email templates using the text editor. Thank you.